Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to install books on the ONYX Boox Note Air 3C. So if you want to get a book to read, you can purchase it through the store, and to access the store you can go to this tab on the left and select store. So now we're in the store, you can select the book that you want. You can either search for it or just browse for a book that you want. So once you found the book that you want, you just go to that book, you tap on that book and press download or purchase if that book is paid. So this one is free, I'm going to download it. And there we go. Now that it's downloaded, we can go to the library and see that the book is now downloaded. You can find it in your files or even in your recents once you read it. Or you can just access it by going back to the store and pressing read now. And there we go. Here is our book. We can now read it, we can edit it, do pretty much anything we want. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and be sure to like and subscribe.